This is most utilized feature in Tableau, you can say. It helps you take your user columns. Let's take an example. Say I'm looking for one column to be created based on one condition. I say if my sales is greater than 500, any amount. If I sales is my greater than 500, I should put it into a category 1 for sales. Otherwise, I should say I should put it in category 2. Oh, for similar cases there with you, you can take a call. So let's implement this case on your Tableau. So for that, we are saying we are not having any such column available. So for your idea person, let me show you some figures to you so that we can take a call. So when you drag this number, I'll take a value. So currently we are having this value 3273058. So you can say 32 million values are there, or I say sum. If I say minimum, you right click here and change this to measurement to minimum. So our minimum sale is 1.908. So if I say maximum sale is my 9,893. It is comma or what? Let me check the minimum figure once again. It is dot. Yes. So we are a minimum sale of 2 rupees, or you can say if I talk about Indian currency, it's a 2 rupees. Or maximum sale, I'm having approximate 9,000. Or let's take it holistic figure of 10,000. So I want a category column should be get created based on this condition that if my sales of the particular transaction, I'll be evaluating this sales of each transaction to create this new column. So first step, analysis, create calculate column. I'll name it sales category. You name anything. You are in plenty of formulas there which you can utilize. Currently we will be going for if or double if. You can go for, I'll go for double if first, double if. So my test is, I say sales should be greater than 500. If it is there, I should take it as category 1. Otherwise I'll go for category 2. There's a similar if case which we are having in Excel, but we are having 2 i's there. If is there, so it evaluate. If error is there, it will prompt you an error there. So if I say if I remove this, I'll be getting this error. Some error is there, unterminated flag is there. So let me correct this. So you should get this message that calculation is valid. If all things are okay, if based on selection, you will be getting this code snippet available for your reference. Likewise, if you are using if profit is greater than so and so, profit is there or loss. Tableau is trying to help you with the syntax of the coding part also. So I'll say apply and I'll say okay. So I'll be getting sales category, as it is not a numeric one, I'll be getting here. So where is my sales category? Let me see. Yes, it is there. So I created new column. I can do analytics based on same. Let me clear my canvas. I'll say subcategory. So we are in 2 categories. I say how much sale I am having in total sales. Fine. So let me drag a few more values there. Sales. Let me say sales is there. It's not able to drag. No issue. So let me take the summation part. If you want to get the summation also, it is there with you. I will do the summation for some other case. So currently we are in 2 categories. Let me classify the category based on my original category. So for furniture, I am having total sale of 11 million. Then inside category 2, it is there 26,000. Then office supplies are there. Depending on your data values, it gets summarized. So now I say I am not looking for the summation. I am looking for the mean of this data. So you can change it to mean. So we are saying the average sale of this is 1600, average sale of this is 2800, 248 I suppose. So let's test our calculation part. Let me take what is the minimum value there. See, so any value which is greater than 500 is coming in category 1, or other than this we are getting these values. So you can notice all data in category 1 is having the minimum value of 500. So that's our case which we had validated. So let me go with the normal case. That. So I'll put it likewise. Okay. Say let me take one more case there. I'll say this time I'm making multiple conditions. I'll say if sales is greater than 2000, put it on category 1. If sales is not greater than 2000 but is greater than 1000, let's put on category 2. Otherwise, I'll say let me category 3. So earlier we did what? Here we return in a formula IIF sales greater than 500, and I say category 1 and category 2. But this time we are not having two conditions, we are having more than two conditions with us. So we need to have some other option available where we can have test multiple conditions. So for that we are having a if else if condition option available. We can utilize that. So let's see the solution for this case. Multiple conditions. So I'll go again, insert calculate field. I'll say sales category 1. I named it because sales category is already there. This time say this if is not sufficing my requirement. I'll go for a few more cases there. I say if my sale is greater than 2000, then. So if you are not okay with the syntax, you can get it from here. Then I'll be write then and all. I said then I'll say category 1. Then we are having you can use else also if you are looking for two conditions only. I'll say category 2. Then at end we are saying end. So if you do like this, you will be saying sale greater than 2000 should be taken as a category 1, otherwise it should be category 2. But in our case, data is not like this. We are looking for one more condition. I say else if sales is greater than 1000. Then I say category 2. Then I say category 3. So this is the formula which we are using. Let me put it in so you it clearly. 2000 category 1 which we are looking for. Then else if is the keyword which you will be using for validating the second conditions. I say okay. If it's no error, you can say apply and okay, or even you can say okay also. Let me take 5. This time say category wise. I'll say it's sales category 2. Now see, there are 3 categories this time. In the earlier case, we are having 2 categories only. This time we are having 3 categories. We can have some of sale available depending on case. If your data is looking for, if you want to go for something else to be shown, you can drag it there also. That's it. Analytics, which is available. If you are looking for more condition, you can utilize that. For syntax wise, we are having 3 cases. If you are working on single condition, we recommend use if, where syntax like condition would be there. Then if it is true, what will happen? If it is false, what will happen? That's a normal case. For for single condition, we are having one more option. You can go for if condition. Then we are having output. what we have to go as output, then we have else there. It's not case sensitive. You can put further output, the false output. Here we can go for true output. If it is in text, you have to put in quotes. If it is in value, you can need not to go in quotes. Then we have to AND this condition with AND. If there are multi conditions, then you have to go with if condition, then the output one, whatever message you want to go for, then we are in else if. So together we have to write. Then second condition. So let me write condition 1 there and condition 2 there. Then I'll say output 2. You can give any message or any value you want to go for. Else, if you want to put, you can put else also. Other output 3. And similarly, we have to end with AND. So depending on the requirement, you can take a call which sort of thing you want to calculate. Even though if you are looking for getting date-wise function to be calculated, or you want any square root to be there, and other formulas are there, you can see from here what are formulas available for interfacing. So you can get a correlation there. You can get date part, date diff is there.